from the Forewarned Storm Center, meteorologist Nate Harrington.
I think everybody realized it was going to be a different kind of day for Thursday than what we've had all this week. A very gloomy day. We started off with showers and thunderstorms, and it only got worse for some folks down in the Florida Panhandle. Most of the rain has now started to dry up, but a lot of rain earlier this morning and afternoon for folks in Okaloosa and Walton counties. Thankfully now they're getting a little bit of a break, but some heavy rainfall occurred as an outflow boundary from some storms out west moved to the east right through the Florida Panhandle. Look at some of these numbers. Almost 4.7 inches of rain in Crestview. That's the number they got down in Destin. And some healthy rainfall amounts in Geneva, also in Bonifay, about 1.5 inches apiece there, and some other sporadic amounts, totally not a whole lot, especially in southeast Alabama, but another round of rainfall is going to be on the way for tomorrow, and some already saturated spots are going to pick up some more showers and thunderstorms tomorrow and most likely some more rain. So flash flood watches in effect until tomorrow night for Crenshaw and Covington in southeast Alabama, and also Okaloosa, Walton, Holmes, Washington, and Bay County down in the Florida Panhandle for the possibility of some flash flooding going in to tomorrow morning. That's when the showers and thunderstorms will start once again. Temperatures not really that big of a factor. 80 degrees only in Dothan today, briefly touched 80, then got back into the 70s as some showers moved in. But a lot of other spots, especially down south and west, stayed in the 70s today for afternoon highs. You can tell well below our seasonal averages, and only picked up 0.03 of an inch at the Dothan Airport. But like we saw, some other spots picked up some pretty healthy rainfall amounts, mainly to the south and west. Temperatures now in the low 70s, all the way to the upper 70s in some spots, but nobody in the 80s. That just shows you how gloomy and rainy it's been today, all due to this area of upper level low pressure that's been spinning and actually retrograding, moving back to the west a bit in central Arkansas. Now this is just going to promote more shower and thunderstorm development for us as this stalls out, this low stalls out. The mid-levels of the atmosphere, plenty of moisture coming in. The water vapor imagery shows all this moisture. That's the brighter whites. The darker areas are drier air. And this area of low pressure is just going to sit and spin and bring all that moisture back up. And it's going to stall out. Here's a look at the mid-levels of the atmosphere. There's that low, and it just sits there from tonight into tomorrow. Finally, by Saturday, I think we see a more typical summertime pattern develop, but still staying unsettled with a lot of moisture in the air. Sea breeze will spark our showers and thunderstorms for the weekend. A high rip current risk out in the water. Showers and thunderstorms likely once again. Basically a carbon copy of Thursday for Friday out near the Gulf and basically everywhere in the southeast. 67 for tonight. Cloudy, lingering showers until midnight, then they'll all be done. 82 tomorrow afternoon. Showers and thunderstorms likely once again, just like today. Some spots with heavy rain. And remember that flash flood watch for some of the counties that we're going to be watching, especially down in the Florida Panhandle. Looking at the weekend forecast, 50-50 chances for rain, I think driven by that sea breeze interaction. A lot of moisture left over. By Monday and Tuesday, though, we start to get a little bit drier, but a little bit hotter, with temperatures getting to the 90s by midweek. Still hurricane preparedness week. How far in advance are tropical storm and hurricane warnings issued so people can prepare, especially outside? We've got 4 choices there. Go online to WTVY.com/weather. And as always, choose wisely.
Very interesting.
Thanks a lot.
All right, thanks, Nate.